What are we going to be doing, Natalie?
I need two.
What are you doing?
Roller skating.
Roller skating. What are these?
Notepads.
Notepads. For roller skating.
Yeah.
Hey.
I need help.
You need help. Here,
Can I try that? Can I try that? Yeah. See,
Julie, I don't think your feet fit in them anymore. Go, Natty.
Okay.
Here, let me help you out.
Roller skating.
Yeah, walk over.
Carrie, hold her. Hold her.
Now you get in the bottom. Ouch!
All right, that's good, girls.
I'm gonna try.
Julie,
No, Julie, let her go.
I just can stay in the
Julie.
Remember how I caught you? Yeah.
You're good, Bill.
Arm around here. Yeah, I did it. Whoa.
what is it, Natalie?
Wake up, Ed.
Can you climb up? We might need a tool,
Julie,
Daddy.
don't climb over.
Julie, down.
You can sit down now, Bill, so you don't need your parents to help you.
Sit down. Julie, hop out.
Okay.
Natalie, lay down on your bed like you're going to bed.
Ow. This is why we have to get rid of it.